Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do another geode. I already put down my rocks, as you can see, because it took forever. So I just used different kind of rocks. So already put those down, and I will show you what I started out with. So it's just a piece of MDF. I traced two circles because I wanted to have that as at least as a base to start my shape off. And then I added my geode shape, cut them out with a saw, and added three coats of acrylic paint just to seal the MDF so we don't get any bubbles. So let's get started with um, getting my resin. I'm going to be using for this part of the geode the HT resin. Why? Because it's fast curing and it is a high viscosity, and I want to do a puddle pour. And for a puddle pour, it's important that the resin isn't too thin, so that's why I'm using the HT. I'm hoping it's still thin enough to just flow under the glass a little bit, and I might just end up pouring a little clear on top, but we'll just have to see. So let's get the gloves on and a mask on. So I got my mask on, and hopefully you can hear me a little bit better with my new microphone. So we'll be starting by adding some resin. Let's pour in, let's see, this is a 2-to-1, and I think I'm going to need, I wanted to go for 50 grams, but that's a pretty hard thing to get equal. So let's go for 60. So I will go for 40 grams of the resin. Okay, so that's 40. Let's start a timer and let's stir. Okay, so I've stirred my resin and I want to get some equal parts. Let's do 10 grams in this one. Okay, so 10 grams is about 12 milliliters. Oh, I guess this one gets a little bit more. Let's do 5 grams for the white. Maybe more. I'll do it with that. And then I've got some clear left over. So let's get the colors. First I'm going to be using the single violet. Put it in this one. It just sticks in after you put the colors in. This way you don't get a mess like I did. So this is my first color. Let's see. That's pretty. Second one. This is a liquid. The first one was a paste. This is amethyst blue. Let's do 1 drop and 2 drops. Let's do 2 drops and see what we can get. Okay. I think it needs a little bit more. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a total of 6 drops. Oh yeah, that's looking way better. Let's see if I can show you. So this is with 6 drops. Pretty purple. It's the mica powder. Really pretty. So that's the white. And here's my white. So now we have to hurry and pour before it gets too hot. That was some purple. Oh, it's getting thick. Should have probably poured some of the clear on here to help it spread. So let's try and fix that mistake. This is my second one, so don't judge me too harsh. I will make mistakes. Well, it's not mistakes. I'm learning. I'm learning together with you, and I'm showing how I'm learning. So I might try and add some heat. See if the heat will help it travel a little bit more. I can always add more resin in the end. And do an extra layer. I think you can do a lot of things. The last in, I'm going to actually just pour this one around the sides. think I'm gonna leave it at that and see how it looks in about 10-15 minutes. It might move a little bit. So let's go and clean this up and I will show you how it looks in about 10 minutes. So let's get on to the second part. This is hardened. It's not fully cured yet, but it's hardened. So I wanted to do these lines. So I added some more stones and I need to pour some clear over these. I might actually do it on the third coat because I want to add some glitter, and I want to do the glitter on the second, or actually the third pour, but the second layer. So let's get some resin started. I'm going to be using the laminating resin from Sam because I need a little bit more time. And this is a 2-to-1. I'm going for about 60 grams of the resin. So that means I need 30 grams of the hardener. Now this is a 3-to-1, my mistake. So I need 20 of the hardener. So just a quick reminder, look at your ratios before you start mixing. I was just in time to fix it. So let's get mixing and I'll be right back. So this is the final product. I just wanted to show you the sparkle in the sun. So unfortunately my camera overheated while filming, so I'm only showing you the puddle pour in this video, and I'll just do another full video on my next piece. So it's really shiny. I love the mica powder in it and the gold, but it's just a bit busy. So the next time I'll do less colors. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone!